Imagine this. What if you could invite prosperity, happiness, and success into your home with just a few simple additions? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Believe it or not, some plants are more than just beautiful decor. They're powerful magnets for good fortune and abundance. These green companions don't just look great in your space. They can transform your environment into a thriving hub of wealth and positive energy. So if you're ready to turn your living space into a sanctuary of prosperity, keep watching. The plants we're about to discuss have been cherished for centuries across various cultures for their ability to attract wealth, good fortune, and joy. It's said that the right plants, placed in the right spots, can uplift not just your personal well-being, but also that of everyone in your household. These plants are steeped in rich tradition, and they offer benefits that go far beyond mere decoration. Curious to know which plants have this kind of power? Let's dive in. The first plant we'll explore is both beautiful and incredibly powerful when it comes to attracting positive energy into your home: the jasmine plant. You might already be familiar with this fragrant beauty, and if so, that's great news. Jasmine has long been celebrated not only for its delicate beauty, but also for its connection to love and abundance. With its elegant vines and delicate white flowers, jasmine doesn't just enhance the visual appeal of any space, it's also believed to bring good fortune into your life. And the best part? It's easy to care for. According to feng shui principles, the scent of jasmine has the power to ward off negative energy and create a welcoming, positive atmosphere. It's no surprise that homes with jasmine plants tend to feel more peaceful and harmonious. The soft, sweet aroma is said to have a calming effect, boosting the mood of everyone in the home while attracting a wealth of opportunities. To make the most of your jasmine plant's energy, there are a few simple care tips to keep in mind. Jasmine thrives in indirect sunlight, so placing it near a window where it can soak up light without being exposed to harsh rays is ideal. Regular watering is important, but be careful not to overdo it. Jasmine also prefers a warm environment, so try to shield it from sudden temperature changes, especially if you're keeping it outside. But jasmine isn't just about creating a calming space. It's also said to have a particular affinity for matters of the heart. Many people place jasmine near windows or in areas where they want to amplify their romantic energy. If you're looking to attract love or deepen an existing relationship, jasmine might be your new best friend. Its sweet scent and reputation for bringing positivity make it the perfect plant for boosting romantic vibes. Now let's move on to another incredible plant that has been making waves in the world of prosperity: Swedish Ivy. This plant is a personal favorite of mine, and I can say with confidence that it's brought me a great deal of financial blessings. Known for its vibrant green foliage and cascading vines, Swedish Ivy is often called the money plant or dollar plant because of its strong connection to wealth and abundance. Swedish Ivy is believed to be particularly beneficial for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Whether you're job hunting, building a business, or simply hoping to invite more financial luck into your life. According to feng shui experts, this plant is perfect for spaces where you need a financial boost, like a home office or workspace. It's said that Swedish Ivy helps clear away obstacles and opens the path to greater success, making it an excellent plant for entrepreneurs. The best part about Swedish Ivy? It's incredibly easy to care for, making it perfect for beginners. The plant thrives in indirect light, so you won't have to worry about keeping it in direct sunlight. It's also low maintenance when it comes to watering. Once a week is enough to keep it happy. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that Swedish Ivy doesn't do well in cold environments, so make sure to keep it in a warm spot for the best results. Whether placed indoors or outdoors, it can thrive in environments that aren't too extreme. Now, if you thought we were done, think again. I'm about to introduce you to another plant that has earned a reputation for attracting wealth and success. This one is a true powerhouse when it comes to creating prosperity. It's called the Chinese fortune plant, and it's a must-have for anyone who wants to supercharge their financial luck. Also known by its scientific name, Pilea peperomioides. This plant is often referred to as the Chinese money plant or money tree because of its remarkable association with wealth and good fortune. The Chinese fortune plant is small, stylish, and perfect for those with limited space, making it a fantastic option for apartments or cozy homes. Its fleshy, round, coin-like leaves are symbolic of prosperity, and its compact size makes it easy to place in any room. What makes this plant particularly interesting is the belief that the more of them you have, the greater your good fortune. It's said that multiple Chinese fortune plants in your home or workspace will amplify your wealth and luck. The plant's symbolism of growth and success means that it's not just about the present, but about building a prosperous future. But there's one catch. Like all plants with special powers, the Chinese fortune plant requires proper care to unlock its full potential. To keep your Chinese fortune plant thriving, ensure it's getting enough indirect sunlight. It doesn't need to be bathed in direct sunlight, but a bright spot will help it flourish. Water it regularly, but make sure the soil dries out between waterings to avoid overwatering. This plant prefers slightly warmer temperatures, so it's best to avoid placing it in drafty areas or where temperatures fluctuate drastically. When it comes to prosperity, the Chinese fortune plant is a popular choice for those looking to attract success, wealth, and happiness. If you're someone hoping to create a life filled with abundance, adding a few of these plants to your space might be the perfect next step. Keep them happy, and they may just bring you the luck and fortune you've been seeking. That's just the beginning. Stay tuned for the next part of our list, where I'll reveal even more plants that have the potential to elevate your space in your life. You won't want to miss it. The Chinese money plant is an incredible symbol of prosperity and good fortune, but it does require special care to maintain its positive energy. A neglected plant, especially one like the Chinese money plant, can do more harm than good. If it's not properly cared for, it can block the flow of positive energy, creating obstacles, particularly when it comes to finances. The key to unlocking its full potential is simple. Keep it healthy, vibrant, and thriving, and it will reward you with abundance, protection, and success. One of the best things about the Chinese money plant is how low maintenance it is. It thrives in indirect light, making it easy to place almost anywhere in your home. However, like any plant, it does have its preferences. While it doesn't need a lot of water, overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's essential to water it just enough to keep it happy. The Chinese money plant is ideal for busy individuals who want to bring greenery into their space, but don't have much time to devote to plant care. A critical tip from feng shui experts: avoid placing your Chinese money plant in the kitchen. The high humidity in this area can stress the plant, causing it to dry out and disrupting its natural flow of good energy. Instead, place it near a window where it can soak up gentle sunlight. This allows the plant to radiate good vibes throughout the room. Another great location for the Chinese money plant is in your workspace. Imagine having this plant on your desk. Not only will it serve as a stylish decoration, but it will also act as a good luck charm, helping to create a productive, positive atmosphere. For maximum energy benefits, feng shui suggests placing it in your dining room, the entrance of your home, or a cozy corner of your living room. These spots are believed to attract wealth and prosperity while keeping negative energy at bay. Now that we've explored the power of the Chinese money plant, let's move on to another powerhouse plant, one that has earned its legendary status in the world of money-attracting plants: the jade plant, also known as Crassula ovata. The jade plant is well known for its connection to prosperity and abundance, and it's easy to see why. To harness its full power, there's an essential feng shui rule you must follow. Place it at the entrance of your home, specifically on the right-hand side, and orient it toward the northeast. This positioning is crucial to allow the jade plant to channel its energy and bring about the best results for your finances and overall good fortune. Taking care of the jade plant is a breeze. It's a hardy plant that doesn't require much attention. Just place it in a sunny spot and water it moderately. Once a week is typically enough, as overwatering can harm the plant. This low-maintenance beauty is perfect for anyone looking to invite abundance without a lot of hassle. And don't forget about the powerful symbolism behind this plant. In addition to being associated with wealth, the jade plant represents harmony, family growth, and good health. It's also said to support academic success, aid in launching new projects, and bring luck to children. If you're considering gifting a plant to a friend, the jade plant is a thoughtful and meaningful option. Whether it's for a housewarming, a birthday, or simply as a gesture of good fortune, the jade plant serves as both a beautiful and meaningful gift. Its ability to cultivate positive energy makes it a perfect present for anyone in your life. Next, let's talk about basil, our fifth and final plant. You might already know basil as a delicious herb used in cooking, especially in Italian cuisine. But did you know it also has the power to attract good fortune and protect your space from negative energy? Yes, basil is more than just a culinary delight. It's a powerhouse of protection and positivity. The secret to basil's incredible energy lies in its placement. To unlock its full potential, position it right at your front door. This location is key to attracting wealth, abundance, and good luck. Think of it as rolling out the welcome mat for prosperity. Whether you're planting it in a garden, on a patio, or on a terrace, basil works overtime to absorb any negative energy trying to enter your space. But basil doesn't just protect your space from negative vibes, it also keeps away energy vampires. We've all encountered people who leave us feeling drained, both physically and emotionally. Basil acts as a shield, keeping toxic energy away and inviting positivity into your home. It transforms the energy around you, converting negativity into uplifting vibes. By strategically placing basil around your home, you can create a harmonious atmosphere that welcomes not only good fortune, but also peaceful energy. Whether it's near the front door, in your garden, or on your patio, basil does an excellent job of guarding your space and encouraging positive, prosperous energy. So do you already have any of these plants in your home? Have you noticed any shifts in your energy or financial situation after bringing them into your space? Let me know in the comments. Plants are powerful beings that can transform your environment and your life. Whether you're hoping to attract wealth, love, or protection, these 5 plants are the perfect tools for creating a space that radiates abundance. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, feel free to share it with someone you know who could use a little extra prosperity in their life. After all, we could all use a little more good energy and good fortune, right? Happy planting!